Today, I'll show you how to turn your iPhone or Android device into a high-quality webcam. You can use it in apps like Teams, Zoom, and OBS. Let's dive in. To do this, we're going to use a free app called DroidCam, which lets you use your iPhone or Android phone as a webcam for your computer. You install the app on your phone, then you also install a client on your Windows PC, and the two connect over Wi-Fi. Once it's connected, your phone shows up just like a regular webcam in apps like Teams, Zoom, Meet, and OBS. The really nice thing is that the phone cameras are usually far better than the ones built into laptops, so you instantly get a huge quality upgrade without buying any new hardware. You already have your phone. There's also a pro version for a one-time fee that unlocks 4K video and also removes the watermark. But the free version works great for most people. Let's start by installing DroidCam on the phone. Navigate to droidcam.app and start by getting the mobile app for either Android or iPhone. Once it installs, open the app. The first time you launch it, it'll ask for permission to access your camera and microphone. Make sure to allow those. Otherwise, your computer won't be able to use the video or audio from your phone. And that's it on your phone. You'll see a simple screen with your connection info, and we'll use that in just a moment when we set up the desktop app. Next, let's install DroidCam on the computer. Back on the DroidCam website, let's scroll down just a little bit, and here you see the option to install the DroidCam client on your computer. Let's click on that, and here you can choose your operating system. We have Linux and also Windows. If you plan to use this mainly with OBS, there's also a dedicated OBS plugin that gives you even more control. I'll go with Windows and click on this option. And right here, let's click on the exe. Once it finishes downloading, run through the install process. Once you finish installing, launch the app and you'll land here in the main interface. In the center of the screen, click to add a device. DroidCam will automatically try to detect your phone. In most cases, it'll find it right away, but if not, you can click on Refresh Device List. And here for me, it's not finding my phone. So you can press this option a few times. And when you do that, you can also manually enter your device IP address in. Here I see a prompt. I could type in my device name. I'll call it iPhone. And right down below, I'll type in the Wi-Fi IP. This is the same number you see displayed on your phone. Once you enter that in, you could also decide whether you'd like to capture audio from your phone and send that to your PC. I'll check that on, and then down below, let's click on OK. And look at that. DroidCam is now connected to our PC, and you can now use your phone as a webcam in just about any app. Let's now see how that would work in an app like Microsoft Teams. Here I am now in Microsoft Teams, and when I go down to select my video device, you'll see an option for DroidCam Video. Select that, and over here, I could turn on my video, and look at that. I can now use my phone as a webcam. So cool. And there you go. Now you have a high-quality webcam for your PC.